to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Ooh, what is this? Huh? This is a tank, and today we're gonna fill it up with water. Go around the park, find items to see if they'll either sink or float. But first, we need water. Good thing I have a bunch of water. Let's fill it up. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. All right, this looks like the perfect amount of water. Now, let's go to the park, find items, so then we can see if they'll either sink or float. Let's go. Okay, now let's find some items at the playground, and so then we can see if they'll sink or float. Come on. Whoa, look at this. How convenient. It's a tote. Whoa. So then we can put all the items in here. Let's go. Whoa, a rock wall. See, you climb up it. Whoa, whoa. Oh, and look at what it is. Whoa, look, some toys. Blue and orange. Okay, watch me climb up the rock wall. Hello! Okay, here I go. Whoa, look, a big red slide. Whoa, look at the bottom. Whoa! Yeah! Look at what we found. 2 more items. These are oranges. Yum! I love oranges. And they're the color orange. Okay, let's go. Come on. Look, I found another item. Do you see it? Yeah, see? Right here. This is a dumbbell. Makes really big muscles. Yeah. 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 Okay. I wonder if it'll sink or float. It's pretty heavy. Put it in there. Let's go. Come on. Whoa! Another slide. Look, this is the same color as the last side. It's big and red. Whoa! Look! Yum! Some chips. I wonder if these will sink or float. Let's put it in the tote so we can go see. Look at this area. Whoa, go the other way. Whoa, hello. Oh, look, another item. Whoa, it's a dog bone. What's this doing on the play set? It's the color green. I wonder if this will sink or float. Put it in there so we can go find out. Whoa. Wow. The color green. And then also blue. Ooh. Oh, hey, some stairs. Whoa, hey, I'm so high up here. Whoa, whoa, oh, look over there. A big red slide. Okay, I'll go down. Okay, here I come. Whoa, that was awesome. Oh, hey, look at what we found. 4 yo-yos. One is the color green. This one is the color orange. This one is the color blue. And this one is the color red. Let's go see what else we can find. Come over here. What is this? Looks like a steering wheel. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I am so dizzy. Okay, let's go see what else we can find. Ooh, look at this. Looks like a staircase. Hello! Ooh, another slide. Yeah, and it's the color red. All right, here I come. Wow! Do you see what I see? Yeah, another item. And these are colored pencils. Whoa, there's so many colors in there. Wow. Okay, let's put it in the tote so we can see if they'll sink or float. Come on. A couple more items, then the tote will be nice and full. Come on. Oh, do you see what I see? Look. Wow, this is a magnifying glass. Watch this. Whoa! Wow! Hello! Whoa! Ah! Woo! You can see things nice and close. Whoa! Is that an ant? Whoa! A little flea. So many cool insects. Okay, let's put this in the tote so we can see if they'll sink or float. Ooh, what's over here? Whoa, whoa. A bridge. Whoa. Be careful on this. Come on. Watch out. Ooh, look at these. Oh, cute little toys. Hey, hello. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so many cool things. Oh, even more. Ooh, bright yellow golf balls. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 golf balls. Okay, here I go. Another slide. Whoa, there's another item down here. Ooh, glow sticks. I'm excited to see if those will sink or float. All right, this looks like a full tote of items. Let's go see if they'll sink or float. Ooh, awesome. All right, now that we have all of these items, now we can put them in the tank and see if they'll sink or float. All right, let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, a magnifying glass. Ooh. All right, I wonder if this will sink or float. I think I know. Ready? Yeah, it went to the bottom. So that means it sinks. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, hey, orange and blue yo-yos. All right, let's put them in. Yep, they float. All right, wow. So magnifying glass that's really heavy sinks, and then the really light things that are full of air, the yo-yos, float. All right, let's see. Ooh, bright yellow golf balls. Whoa. All right, let's see if these golf balls sink or float. Oh, look, a yo-yo went to the bottom. So now the yo-yo sinks. All right, back to the golf balls. Ready? Whoa. Yep, golf balls sink. All right, let's see. Ooh, some chips, snacks. All right, let's see if the bag sinks or floats. Ready? Yep, it floats. But wait a second. What if we take the bag, open it up, and see if the chips inside sink or float? Ready? Whoa! All of those float as well. Let's put the bag in there too. All right, let's see. Oh, the dog bone, that's the color green. Do you think it'll sink or float? Pretty hard. It's very dense. Ready? Whoa, it just went to the bottom real quick. So it sinks. All right. Ooh, 2 more yo-yos. Yep, we already knew those float and then eventually sink. Whoa, I bet you know if this sinks and floats. Yeah, this is a weight. It's full of metal in there and it's really heavy. Ready? Yeah, that purple weight sinks. Ooh, look at the water. It's getting really murky because all of the chips are disintegrating and going in the water. All right, we better hurry before it gets too dirty to see if they sink or float. All right, these rubber toys that are hollow. Ready? Yep, do you see? They went to the top. They float. All right, couple more. Some of this orange, nice soft dough clay stuff. It sinks. All right, here we go. Whoa, yep, it went to the bottom. It sinks. All right, and then colored pencils. Whoa, colored pencils float because they're made out of wood. And a lot of the wood around the world floats, I mean. Yeah, because they're all on the top. All right, and last but not least, the neon glow sticks. Whoa. Whoa. Look at them. They're so bright. Whoa. All right, let's see if they sink or float. Yep. They sink. All right, that's all. Well, I have a special surprise for you. The magical vial. This time, whoa, it has blue powder. See? Whoa! All right, let's put the blue powder in here. Whoa! All right, now we have to stir it. Whoa. It's making it really blue. It's so fun to see what sinks and what floats. Wow. This blue water is like the water you see in the Bahamas or Thailand. Whoa. All right. Well, this is the end of this video. That was awesome doing this science experiment to see what sinks and what floats. If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.